what our firm was tasked with doing and was successful in is finding evidence that Harvard knew or should have known that these horrible things were happening at the morgue. And it was due to the ambition and the thoroughness of one of our attorneys here at Bochetto&Lentz that we were able to find some facts that really don't look great for Harvard Medical School. First fact, this is what the morgue manager looked like. I mean, he literally dresses like the Grim Reaper. So I think putting that in the complaint really helped put a picture behind what we're dealing with, and I think that went a long way with the court. More importantly, one of the attorneys here at the firm took it upon himself to investigate the individual morgue manager, kind of get an idea of what his background was and if Harvard should have known just from working with this individual if maybe he was up to some nefarious conduct. And that attorney actually went and did some internet sleuthing, and he was able to get a picture of the morgue manager's vehicle, and he was able to get a picture of his license plate. And you'll see the morgue manager's license plate was a custom plate that literally spelled out Grim Reaper. And to this attorney's credit, and his name is Brian Lentz, to Mr. Lentz's credit, he was the only attorney that made these allegations in the many class action lawsuits. And the court really adopted this. And the court looked at this and they said, if Harvard was acting in good faith and doing its due diligence, this is one of the many red flags that would have raised their awareness to this morgue manager and the misconduct that was taking place. There's a number of other factual pleadings that the court really focused on that we brought to the table that ultimately helped prevail in this appeal. And now the lawsuit can move forward against Harvard Medical School and many of the families who are now left with the lifelong image of their loved ones being dissected and sold in the black market. They at least now have an avenue to pursue justice through the civil courts in Massachusetts, thanks to the Bochetto&Lentz cemetery practice. The reason I emphasize Brian's name is because I was just up there and I'm like, I'm going to shout you out. And he's like, you have no authority to use my name. I'm like, dude, I'm going to use your name. And he's like, you do not have my consent. You cannot do it. I was like, what are you going to do? Sue me? And he's like, yes.